Welcome to the Cryptoteacher, and guys, you know I come back with that second video to make you think. And this video definitely should make you think and see where this is headed. Now guys, in my titles I talk about robots, automation. I've done at least 50 to 75 videos on this, letting you know the technology is here. It's not coming. It is here. With automation, with AI, with robots. Guys, if you can imagine, all the people will be displaced as far as with employment goes. Now we see the C word was to accelerate this. So sit your family down. This is the perfect time to sit them down so therefore they can clearly see this is all planned out, guys. Enjoy your day and enjoy the rest of the video.
It's morning in Berkeley, California, and the Kiwi bots are heading off to work. These four-wheeled robots navigate sidewalks and even crosswalks, taking food to hungry college students. And this is the future.
And this is the future.
This is the future of delivery.
Exactly, yeah.
It's a real-world test of delivery by robot that sometimes collides with reality. The reality today is that delivery is a bigger business than ever. With online shopping, it's estimated the Post Office, FedEx, and UPS will process, sort, and deliver more than 2 billion packages between Thanksgiving and New Year's Eve. Amazon's own fleet of delivery trucks is expected to handle 275 million holiday season shipments. And Amazon is pushing the delivery envelope, offering Prime members free one-day shipping. You have to offer free delivery now to be competitive, it seems.
Yeah.
And it's not reasonable because it's expensive to deliver stuff.
Yeah, and it's never free, right? It costs money. The question is, where do you get that money from?
There are several campuses.
Ann Goodchild is director of the Supply Chain, Transportation, and Logistics Center at the University of Washington. The growth in home delivery is focusing attention on what logistics experts call the last mile.
So they don't mean literally a mile. They mean the last piece of this supply chain. And the reason it's interesting is it's the most expensive mile of the whole thing. I've seen estimates of more than 50% of the cost is from that last mile. It's expensive because it's labor intensive. There's a driver who takes every package up to the front door.
It's estimated that free shipping will cost Amazon more than $1 billion this quarter alone. Which explains why shippers are looking at some radical new technologies to cut the cost of the last mile.
This is the delivery drone that's going to be delivering to homes all across America.
Matthew Sweeney is founder and CEO of a delivery drone startup called Flirty.
We've been secretly testing this technology in the desert for years, and this is the first time a film crew has come out and see it.
He predicts that by Christmas 2020, many packages will be delivered this way.
Ready for the release?
Here it is.
There we go.
See what we got here.
We've got 2 Flirty shirts. We've also got a fragile Flirty mug.
I was kind of hoping for pizza.
We can do that.
In fact, they did it in New Zealand in 2016, delivering pizza in a test of an earlier model drone. And the drone does not expect a tip.
The labor cost of a drone delivery is less than the labor cost of any other form of delivery because the technology is autonomous. It flies itself.
Flirty's drone is guided by GPS. Sweeney won't reveal how much weight it can carry, but claims it can handle about 75% of all deliveries made in the U.S. today. The drone takes off from and lands on what Flirty calls a portal.
Our vision is to have a portal at every mall across America. You know, every FedEx or UPS for package delivery. Our mission is to deliver whatever you want when you want it.
6 years ago, Jeff Bezos unveiled Amazon's drone project. But Flirty is part of an FAA program with fast-track approval for commercial drone delivery and expects to beat Amazon with airborne deliveries. In Berkeley, the delivery robots roaming the streets are in close proximity to people. That is what's being tested. So this is a common sight in Berkeley now, isn't it?
Yes.
And what's the reaction of people when they see these?
Yeah, people are very curious, yeah, and so far the reaction and people in Berkeley have been very good.
Felipe Chavez moved from Colombia with the dream of building his robot delivery company close to Silicon Valley. His Kiwi bots deliver food within about a mile of the University of California campus here. So there'll be a time we'll walk up and down the street passing robots and nobody will even notice.
Literally. And sometimes that happens here in Berkeley. People, like at the beginning, a lot of people were taking photos, super excited, and like now, for some people, it's just normal. Yeah.
A robot delivering a burrito, it's just normal.
Exactly.
One advantage of drones and robots, they can deliver on demand when someone is home to receive the package. That could help combat porch pirates, the thieves who see any newly delivered cardboard box as an irresistible opportunity. Logistics expert Ann Goodchild looks at all those cardboard boxes and sees something else: the environmental impact.
I think it's a good time to be in the cardboard industry, and I do hope that we can move to more reusable materials. The industry is still working this out.
Home delivery, however, may be better for the environment than customers driving their own cars to shop.
Trucks are bigger, trucks are heavier, trucks are more polluting. But we have to remember that that truck is actually like a bus for groceries. That truck is visiting many homes. And what our research shows is that the truck is more efficient.
But that advantage can be lost in the rush for ever faster delivery.
So 1 hour delivery, 2 hour delivery is not reducing congestion and is not reducing emissions. So there's no efficiency in that, the way there is efficiency in a milkman who can deliver to 40, 50 homes in a single trip.
Indeed, let us not forget the milkman.
Well, I've been at it for 3 years, John, and I haven't soured on it yet, so.
Along with his puns, Eric McEllicott delivers organic milk in glass bottles in the San Francisco area.
It's just a lot easier to have it delivered. Plus, I mean, people like the old school aspect of it, of, getting a milk delivery.
He brings a gallon to Paula Gillespie's house once a week.
It's fantastic.
It seems a little anachronistic today.
Yes, well, that would be me. I fit right in with that.
There's these robots that deliver things to people.
I hate it. So this is fulfilling a need that, in my opinion, is counterproductive to society, at least the society that I know and love. And it does not include robots and drones.
Do you really think that's possible, that a drone could put you out of business one day?
Yeah, at some point. But I should be retired by then, hopefully.
There's already more than 500,000 drones that have been registered in the US. There's nothing quite like a flying robot delivering a package into your hands within minutes of placing an order. That is a magical experience.
That magical experience isn't as far away as you might think. Flirty is the first company to get government approval to make deliveries by drone, beating out Amazon and Google.
DZ, IP, are you ready to go?
Good to
go. Okay, we are clear and ready for you to deliver.
We're in the desert outside of Reno, Nevada, at a secret site where this small startup regularly tests its delivery drones. And what is the scenario we're thinking about today? Tell us about that, what the customer application of this would be.
So the customer application is simple. You open your smartphone, you push a button in order to order over-the-counter medicine. We load up a package. They take off vertically. They fly based on predefined GPS coordinates to the customer's home location or smartphone location. And then when the customer's ready to receive the delivery, the drone hovers at about 50 feet, which is above trees, above buildings, and above power line. So it was at 100 feet, it paused, and now it's coming down to 45 feet to hover and lower the package to us. We've designed custom packaging to ensure that cold food stays cold, hot food stays hot, and delicate foods stay unbroken. So Spencer, another flirty drone delivery?
Chili dog here, pink bismuth here.
Exactly. We then fly back and land autonomously where we took off from, reload the drone and conduct that delivery again.
All the testing in the desert is paying off. Flirty drones are already delivering Domino's Pizza in New Zealand, and in July, Flirty teamed up with 7-Eleven to make the first drone delivery of over-the-counter medicine to a customer's home in the United States.
When we're operating in a neighborhood near you, we'll be able to deliver to you within 10 minutes of you placing an order. We've designed and built our drones to carry up to 5.5 pounds for up to 10 miles. They're hexacopters powered by lithium polymer batteries, so they're electrically powered green aircraft.
Right now, Flirty is beating the tech Goliaths in drone delivery. The next step is turning that head start into profit. To do that, Matt Sweeney will have to convince a lot of shoppers that a magical experience of a box dropped from the sky is worth a premium delivery fee.
Why does society need drone delivery? If you're hungry, would you want your pizza delivered by drone or by cars during peak hour traffic? And if your kids are sick, would you want the over-the-counter medicine delivered from 7-Eleven within 10 minutes by Flirty? Or would you prefer load your kids into a car at night and take them down into the store? And within several years, drone delivery will be as common as seeing a truck delivering packages on the street today.